Hey folks, got skills? We've got just the thing for you. We are CCSGP, Center for Computing for Social Good and Philanthropy. CCSGP essentially helps to cultivate students' interests and abilities to advance social good, and I'll elaborate more on this in a second. Here are some of CCSGP's goals. The web app is simply a job board, where students and alumni alike can seek out volunteer opportunities and apply to them. Here are the 5 main features for our web app. Posting a job. Get qualified volunteers to help you out. Anyone can put up a job posting. Secondly, one can apply to job postings if they see something that they are interested in. This is a page where you can see jobs that you've applied for. The authors of these posts will be able to see your application. Thirdly, reporting a post. If you see something amiss about a post, you are able to report it and the administrators will try to resolve it as soon as they can. Here's another page showing the number of posts that you've reported and what posts you've reported. Update your interests. You can update the beneficiaries that you are interested in so that on the feed you will be able to see these posts with higher priority. Lastly, you can see your own posts. Now I'll be talking about some admin features, for admins of course. An administrator can vet and approve posts. When a regular user puts up a job posting, administrators are given the final say as to whether or not the post will appear on the feed page. An administrator can also read reports and delete them if necessary. An administrator can also download data about all posts. Updating user permissions is a very important feature for administrators, so we thought it'd be useful to include this in the presentation. Get in touch, try it out. We look forward to connecting hearts with minds. You can reach us at our emails, and the website is right there.